deal with that bit later. So let's go one. As I said, like, and I've taken 3 examples. Let's go one by one, and then we can see where we can actually improve on. Let me share my screen. I thought I shared my screen, but that's fine. Are you able to see my screen? This, can you please anyone confirm that if you could see my screen?
Yes, sir, we can see.
Thank you. Yeah, I took an example from Rabia Tasneem. Okay. Now I think it's regarding Swiggy in login, I believe. Okay. And project name, module name, creation by or created by, or author, you can mention that's Rabia, which is good. Okay. Let me enable editing. Okay. Now you have test case ID TCSL0102, which is good. Okay, so you can continue this. See, the serial numbers. Okay, below. You have a test case name that is to install the application. Okay. Now you have a test steps. Frankly speaking, which is good. You're saying like open Play Store, search for Swiggy app by entering Swiggy, select Swiggy and install. My expected thing, okay, what you have written as get started screen should be displayed. Okay, I've not installed Swiggy or anything, but just I'm just guessing here. So when you say the get started screen should be displayed, that means the installation of the Swiggy app is actually was successful on your phone. Okay, so definitely it is good. Okay, you have split those 3 steps. Okay, sometimes what there would be a need, okay, to test a couple of things. Okay, like for an example, search for Swiggy app by entering Swiggy. Okay, now I'll take an example of these 3. Okay, this word. Okay, let me write here. Okay, tell me oh, tell me. I've written word Swiggy, right? Is it same? Can anyone answer?
No, it's not the
Why it
same.
is not same?
It's same, sir.
Okay. Yeah, one is, someone said
The
same.
first one is
Somebody,
correct because first letter is capital, others are small.
okay. Others said it is not same. Why do you think it is not same?
Because there's a capital and small letters, there are changes in that.
Yes. Yeah, it is a combination of capital and small letters. Okay. But I don't know who said that it is not right. Okay. I would say that is correct. Okay. The reason being, you can type Swiggy as in this way, the first one, or the second one, or the third one, or the fourth one. your application, your iPlay, Play Store, whatever, we call it as, it should identify or give you the appropriate Swiggy app. What if the name, like this? Then it's a spam. You end up installing a wrong app and entering your details, in a wrong place. I know Play Store will take care of it, but what if they actually even bypassed Play Store as well, and have the spam? Yeah. So what I'm trying to say, okay, doesn't matter what case I'm going to enter, so I should get the right Swiggy app, which is verified and validated by Google Play Store. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
I can also perform a testing for this combination. Okay, open Play Store, search for Swiggy app by entering different combinations. I can write different test cases for every single thing, or I can write it as in one, and I can combine enter the Swiggy in a below format and see if you can if you can get the appropriate Swiggy installer or the an application, and then click on install, and um, the expected result is, okay, application should be installed successfully and get started screen should be displayed.
Okay, one point is missing.
Now, I'm not saying this is wrong. Okay, this is
Okay.
right too. Okay.
Okay.
However, I'm actually adding more clarity, right?
Okay.
I'm actually more before giving more confirmation.
Okay, sir.
It is installed successfully and we got the get started screen.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, sir. Next one.
Excellent. Okay, good. And I'm so glad you understood. Okay. Likewise here. Now you have another test case name, which is, test authentication.
Yes.
See, this is, I know we can call it as, different scenarios, not the test case name. That is, installing app is one scenario, authentication is one, another scenario, order is another scenario, whatever.
Okay.
Correct? I'm just, giving you an example.
Yes, sir.
Then order tracking, another scenario,
Order tracking.
or return. Could be, I don't know. I'm just
Yes,
guessing.
sir.
Okay.
Return,
Returns.
refund.
Yeah, returns or refund, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Another scenario. Okay. Now, what you have written, click on get started, enter your mobile number and click on get OTP.
No, sir. First one, click on get started. A screen, enter your mobile number to get OTP should be displayed. Expected result, sir.
Exactly. See, now you understood. So now I'm splitting this again, correct? So I'm going to add more steps here. Okay. So that means X4. So now authentication, under authentication, click on get started. Okay. Let me copy the same thing. Okay. And this should be your expected result, right? Now you have another.
Yes, sir.
Second.
Enter your
Then
mobile number and click on get OTP.
exactly what it should be. Now you should get
OTP.
verify the OTP sent to mobile with the text and is valid. Correct. The next comes once you enter one, Valid OTP.
Sir, in this, the OTP enter invalid is not coming, sir.
Exactly. No, with that enter here, no.
Let's
Verify
verify
that the
that
OTP
OTP
sent you with the text
Yes, yes, yes,
is
sir.
valid. Okay. Or you can say that not verify, valid OTP should be sent to the mobile number registered or entered. Correct?
Yes, sir.
This is the expected one. Okay. Now the third is, okay, enter the valid OTP in in the in the app. Okay, and click on continue.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what it should the application
Will ask to allow location access or enter location manually.
here application okay should pass the details for whatever. I'm just allow location access. Whatever enter location manually. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Then that is the okay. Then fourth is okay. In verify if the location access has been set appropriately. I'm just giving, okay?
Okay, sir.
The location settings should be set successfully. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Fifth, and I think that's it, right? Okay, with this. What I don't know any some other steps. Once this location is set, what is next?
Swiggy
The time schedule to reach the food to
Should be
reach.
set successfully and
login page open. Displayed.
should be
Displayed.
okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is one scenario. You've completed one scenario, right? See, I've actually ensured I've verified everything.
Yes, sir.
I've split them into multiple test steps and the expected results.
Okay, sir.
Now it is easy for you to check, okay, what if, now you click on, get started. Okay, you tested this. OTP, enter your mobile number to get the OTP is displayed. Okay, this is pass. Okay.
Oh.
Now valid OTP should be sent to a mobile number. This could be failed. Probably you would have got the invalid one.
Okay.
Right? And you can't proceed further at all because you got the invalid. So that means the whole test, the other test cases you can't execute because
Yes, sir.
this step is failed.
OTP is failed. Okay, sir.
Okay. And for example, now it is passed. Assume we have got the valid
OTP. I see.
Okay, now it is passed. So now you will get to the this step.
Steps, yes, sir.
And you should ask for the location access and enter the location manually. What if this is failed? So you can't proceed further.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And if it is passed, then you will go to this one. And once you have that set the location, it should be set successfully and login page should be displayed. So if it is passed. So now I'm ensuring every single step is actually being verified
Yes, sir.
under this particular, the authentication, whatever scenario, right?
Yes.
Likewise, under order, you will have the same thing. You will split, you will identify different steps. You will
Yes, sir.
split them to ensure that particular steps are actually verified. See now are you not saying it's very clear? Now here, for an example, in this scenario, I don't know which one is pass, which one is fail. Whether should I fail whole thing, which one I should be which I should pass the steps, or
Yes,
which
sir.
one is not.
No, sir.
You see this, then a lot of ambiguity, right? Okay, it is not complete.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, I'm the creator, sir, to review someone Preeti as.
I understand. That's fine. Okay, even see, it's the first time this activity you guys are doing, right? Okay,
Yes, sir.
it is difficult for any one of your players to pick up on this. Good. That's the reason why I asked you guys to review your own work,
Yes.
right?
So,
So now
yes,
you have a greater understanding why I asked you to do that.
yes, sir.
This was never been picked up because you guys are not aware of this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I want you guys, okay, whatever you guys have written, I want you to go back, identify additional scenarios, okay,
Oh, okay.
and correct the existing ones.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
this you are actually, this is giving you more clarity, isn't it? As I mentioned. Now you know which one is pass, which one is fail. If it is fail, whether can I continue my testing or can I stop my testing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So there are various, kind of such scenarios will arise. We'll also discuss if the test steps fails, we can still continue. There are different scenarios.
Yes,
We'll
sir.
discuss about it. Okay, but for now, at least that if the test fails here, you can't proceed further because you can't do anything.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Okay,
actually,
now
the invalid OTP is another scenario, sir.
excellent. That's correct. You're right.
Okay,
So
I am
you will
written
say
in
that, okay,
same steps.
yeah.
Yes, sir. I
So
am
what you need to
returning in
do is,
third.
yes, what you need to do is, okay, you can, okay, so you'll write here another, okay, positive test scenario for verifying the authentication. Okay, this is the heading. Okay, I'll
Okay, sir.
copy the same thing and I paste here negative test scenario. Sorry. Negative test scenario for verifying the authentication. So what you do, copy paste the same thing.
Okay.
Okay, put it here just to speed up things. Okay, enter your mobile number. Okay, invalid. Okay, OTP. Give me a minute. Okay, sorry. Okay, invalid OTP should be sent to the mobile entered. Okay, enter the invalid OTP. Application should not, right,
Yes, sir.
ask for this one. And this test steps is not there at all.
Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you know for the fact, okay, your application is actually working properly because it is not letting you to move on to the next one.
Yes, sir.
So what if this step is actually failed? So
Fail.
what do you mean by failed? That means
Fail means
if
stop.
no, it is not stopped
Okay.
because it is letting you to set the location access. That means something problem with the application, right? Because you have entered the invalid OTP.
Well,
In spite of you
I
entered
think
the
this is
invalid
bug.
OTP.
This is bug,
Correct.
sir.
Exactly. You're right.
Okay.
It's a bug
Bug.
in the application.
Application. Okay, sir. Sir, one more
Okay.
question.
Yeah, go ahead, please.
This is precondition means what to write, sir? Can
Okay.
you please scroll my
Yeah,
hand?
yeah.
This one, precondition.
Okay.
What shall
An
we write,
example.
sir?
Yeah,
This
let
scenario.
me tell you. Yeah. Precondition is not mandatory for all the steps. Okay.
Okay.
And for an example, we will mention as okay, ensure you have the Google Play supported mobile device. Correct? So it is a precondition for us to start
Okay,
this.
sir.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
So for us to, in order to even test the whole thing, you have to have the appropriate, the Google Play supported mobile device.
Okay, sir.
I can't, if I have my iPhone, I can't have Play Store there. I'll have Apple Store.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is
Okay.
the precondition. So precondition is not mandatory for all of them, but the precondition is for either for this particular, test scenario or test, that's case, whatever. It can't be for every single step. Okay.
Okay.
This is what it is. Okay. Did you understand now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I want you guys to go back and look into your the test cases and tweak and improvise as we discussed.
Okay. Can I continue in this?
You can.
Checking?
Yeah, correct it.
Okay.
Correct all the time. Okay.
Okay.
Make sure that you take the steps and follow your experience. Okay. So this. Okay. Remember, I've created positive scenarios. I've created negative scenario for the same authentication. This one. So under authentication, you can write, okay, verifying the positive scenario and verifying the negative scenario. Likewise, order management. Okay. Under that, you can write positive scenarios and negative scenarios as well.
Sir, your voice is not clear, sir.
Can you hear me?
Hello?
Hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, even you can do it for order management as well, refunds or returns. So you can identify positive and you can identify negative scenarios as well. You can test cases.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and I did go through others as well, and I see another. This is from Sudha. Yeah, it's online shopping. I think yeah, she have written
Ready.
test script description is not essential every time, but that's absolutely fine. And yeah, expected results and actual results. Basically, when you have when you're executing the test scripts, you'll write the actual results what you've seen. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, this is absolutely fine. And like you have the negative test cases, right? Okay. So so that what you can do is you can, as I discussed, you can have the negative scenarios for every single scenarios whatever actually you've written. Okay. So now you don't know whether you're entering the valid or invalid details there, and you're ensuring that verifying the invalid or the application is not letting you to proceed further, or it is letting you to proceed further in order to verify whether it is a rather gap in the application. Okay, so you need to specifically write the test, steps as we discussed now. Okay. So likewise, I see from Rabia, what it is. This one, Tawasum. It is good, okay, but it would be nice if we can, put it as we discussed. So, you have written, properly, but, again, for, see, this is incomplete one. Search option, okay, go to google.com and redirect it to, redirect it to Gmail login page should be displayed, right? And now we have written Gmail login page opened successfully. That's the actual result, which is good. But here we have to use should be displayed, correct? And search option. There is Google page, and what you need to do is you need to also verify whether the search option is available or not. Verify the search option is displayed. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And then you have to write, okay, the expected result, the search option should be displayed successfully. Okay. And then enter your name and click on enter. What is what should be displayed? I don't know what should be displayed for this particular steps, because I don't know what to verify with this step. Okay, so it is good. Okay, it's just that, like,
Test
bit of
data
incompleteness.
came down, sir. URL has, we have to enter there. It should be up. It went down. That's
Correct.
why.
What will happen actually? If what is that? And I'm not clear about search option. I don't know what do you mean by search option. I don't know what should I infer from search option.
Okay, sir.
No, I'm just think about as a someone is actually executing your test script. So you have written this one, right? Okay. I'm the person we might be executing this. I'm not able to understand this. I'll come back and ask you, okay, Tabasam, can you tell me what is search option? So it should, the test cases should give you clear explanation about what you are actually doing and what to expect out of that particular test, test steps. That helps to verify the application, whether it is working as expected or not. And also it is helpful for the tester or whoever is actually executing that particular, test case will have a better clarity what they are actually, executing, what they are looking for, what they are actually verifying. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Hope that clarifies, Tabasam.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, other
Excellent.
cases you down in first, second mistakes is there. Second till 14 I have written. Others are correct or not?
No, it's the same thing. Okay, the same feedback. Okay. So click on next button. Okay, let's take an example of this one. Okay, click next button. What should actually happen after that? I don't know what to expect. What should I expect? When you click on next button, I should, you can say that, some screen should be displayed. And then, or like, the password page should be displayed. And you're actually enter the valid password. You're actually, mentioning the test data. That's fine. Okay. And then enter the valid password and click on next. Okay. And here you can say that, okay, you should be able to log in successfully, whatever. I don't know what you're trying to verify here, but you should write that what should you expect out of this particular step. If I'm performing this particular step, enter valid password, okay, and click on next, what I am actually expecting. Or for an example, you're just saying like enter valid password, you're entering this, but what you can also say that, okay, the entered password should be displayed in the screen. or in that particular field, correct? And then you're saying click on next button. What will happen actually once you click on next button? Either whether will it take you to login page, or will it take into something else? So I don't know. I don't have any clarity here.
Okay.
Okay. So you need to correct that one. Okay. No,
Okay.
it's a very good effort, I must say. Okay, everybody who have actually submitted, it's a very good effort from everyone. Okay, it's just that we need to address those small gaps. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Great work, guys. Okay, I'm really, really, really happy. Okay, how things are progressing. It's just that we are there. Yeah, we need to just correct tiny, weeny things. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Great, great going. I would expect the same thing, same kind of exercise. What you did this time. Please do that and make it quite early as well, please. Okay, at least I'll have some time to go through, and also others, your peer reviewers will have some time to go through as well, please. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So yeah, and I'll expect your work at the earliest, and then probably we can connect sometime next week. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Excellent. Good job. Okay, you have a great evening and speak to you soon.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye.